Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to an actual unboxing or an actual video for once, because I haven't uploaded in a little bit of time, which, you know, isn't the greatest, but we can just get into things in a moment or so. But yeah, I'm just bringing to an unboxing and just going over a couple of things that I've sort of picked up over the last couple of weeks. It's not really a large quantity because a lot of the stuff has sort of come and gone, but I am wearing one of the pieces, and I've got another one to show that came from an order that I just didn't show in the end. But let's just get straight into things. This is probably going to be quite brief in the end, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, these are the pieces obviously next to me, and then the one to sort of take out in the end. We've got Supreme coming up very soon, with a lot of leaks and things coming out, which is sort of great as an overall, because we've already seen what a collaboration will be, what the photo tee will be, and just different things like that, which yeah, is great. But I just thought I'd rather just take a gap back, or a step back, or just like have a gap in between, because normally I do just upload one or two things just in relation to the season that had been, and you know, just one or two videos a week. But realistically, there haven't been that many things since. We did have like Sneakers Day, which was dreadful, and there have been a couple of drops in between, but to be honest, unless you are like a botter who will be going for those drops, you know, it doesn't really make sense for me to be covering, you know, like an 8 AM release on the Nike app that's going to take about 3 minutes in comparison to like a sneakers drop, which just has a bit more of a build up to it. So I just thought a little gap, instead of just putting out just filler, you know, like anime filler type of thing. Yeah, I didn't really want to do that. So yeah, also I've just thrown the hat on today because I'm feeling great. But yeah, the first thing to kick off with is obviously going to be my Palace long sleeve. From the season sale, I picked up the beanie and this long sleeve. I like this long sleeve, it's a great fit, and yeah, it just looks nice as an overall. Beanie, on the other hand, I should have just grabbed that grey one that had the Palace going all the way around. Should have just done it, because this is nice. I've worn it out once, I've put it on twice overall, and it is so tight. Genuinely, there is no leeway to it at all. There is no give and take with it. Basically, when it's on, that's it. The blood's gonna get cut off and you are just done. So once it's on, you are not taking it off. But I'm sure for winter time it'll be great in keeping me warm. But yeah, it's just a really, really tight fit, so it won't be appearing in any videos basically. So yeah, there is that. Following on from that, we have the Kith SpiderMan comic, or you know, the Amazing Spider-Man that fell off. Of course it did, kind of like me. But yeah, we have the comic. So basically, a friend of mine and a person that I've known for a couple of years now goes into Selfridges and things every now and again. So yeah, they basically said, did I want the comic, because I think someone else asked for one as well. I said yes, and because they're going to Brighton, it's close. So yeah, I went there, met up with them for like 2 hours or so, near enough. Got the comic off them, paid for it obviously, and yeah, I'm so happy that I've got it now. So yeah, there's not really a lot that I can do with it. In the end, I would crack it out, but at the same time I want to sort of like keep it in its bag. So I wish that I had 2 of them, because then I could take one out and be like, yeah, look, and then the other one could just sit like that. So yeah. Following on from that, I don't even know if I showed this or not, or showcased it. I think that I did briefly, but I can't remember. So this is obviously the Kith Marvel Kith Spider-Man puzzle, jigsaw puzzle, 500-piece puzzle. So yeah, I think that I posted on like Reddit or the Kith Reddit for it, but I don't remember if I actually included it or anything. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna do it at some point in time. Like a lot of things, at some point in time they will be done. But yeah, there is that. Following on from that, we have this, which is obviously in a box, which is going to be the Rafa cycling cap, or cap. Yeah, I'm a little bit hesitant on this one, because at the same time as I really like the colours and I like it and I'd probably end up using it, I think that it is up to a certain price point. So with that being said, you know, it does make you think, maybe not, you know. Yeah, it does bring a debate out for that. So this is going to be my Palace order, which is probably my last video that I uploaded. But yeah, it's just another personal at the end of the day. When I wear it, at whatever point in time, it will be, you know, worn. But until then, it will probably just stay in its bag. So we'll grab that out. See if there are any stickers. I'm running out of stickers. I got rid of a load of my stickers. I'm getting rid of like my sticker packs and everything. So I'm running out of things like that. So it would be nice. There we go. I think I've got 3 of these left. I had about 40 before, and my Supreme ones are gone as well. I think I had 118 box logo stickers from over the years that I'd accumulated, and they're just gone because they were just taking up space. They're starting to bend. It's just not great. So anyway, this is the Palace Aloha shirt. I ordered it in grey, medium, obviously, for myself. That is not showing, so I'll just stand up. But yeah, this isn't really showing it or displaying it in the best way at all. But yeah, that is the t-shirt that I ended up buying from Palace. So yeah, there isn't really much to say other than that, to be honest. That is pretty much going to cover this video. As per norm, let me know down below if you've picked anything up over the last couple of weeks, whether it's personal, whether it's to sell on, whatever it is in general. It could be a collectible like a Funko. I have been definitely over the last like 4 or 5 months getting more and more Funkos into my collection, because I only had like 3 or 4 for about 3 years or so. Now we're closing in on like 40, so I'm starting to go up a little bit. Maybe at some point in time I'll go over them if it was a thing that people want to see. Maybe when I get to like 50, I'll just go over them. I think it's something that's a bit of a different like area. You either like it or you don't. But yeah, they're just cool to have in the end, and if at some point I do get bored with them, it is something that you could just sell as a collection or just individually. They still retain their value. So yeah, but I do just like picking them up. I feel like a lot of the things that I sell, I'm like, profit, Funko. So but yeah, that is going to cover it anyway. I hope that everyone is doing, you know, good, or everyone's well, because obviously I haven't uploaded a little bit. And yeah, I should hopefully be starting with more things like sneaker reviews. I just want to put that in within the Supreme and Palace. I want to also do like Palace drop list videos and put in a bit more effort with them. Maybe I do it something like this, or standing up and I talk about it, just a bit easier. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm not gonna ramble on. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.